All right. All right, Julie, don't go too far because I can't see you over here. Everybody say cheese superstar gabagola mozzarella. You know you're on video right now. Just so you know, this is a Facebook moment. How you doing? Don't try to hide. Where the hell are they going? Lucky. Lucky, you're a good dog? Huh? Come on, you're the best here. Everybody's no good. You're a good girl? You're a good girl. You want to come out, right? You want to come out? Come on, get the leash. Put the leash on the dog. Oh! You're a good girl? Huh? You want to play, right? You're a good girl? Come on, put the leash on the dog. Julie, what is that on the tire making that noise?
What?
What's that on the tire making that noise?
Let me get my shoes. Water bottle.
A water bottle, so you make a noise?
And guess whose idea was it first?
Whose
Mine.
idea was it?
It was my idea.
You got the whole crew here, huh?
It's my idea from me. Oh, no.
What is the little rascals over here?
No, you did not.
Yes, I made it up with bottles.
With the bottles? Go ahead, go.
You want to see real full speed?
Well, it's nice to be a kid, huh?
Yeah, it sure is.
Look at the size of this kid. 15 years old. Matty, show your mother who's boss now. Give her a back hit. Tell her, go inside, make me something to eat. All right, say hello, Facebook, everybody, because you're all on camera. Nobody wants to turn around. Matty, come on, turn around. Give Facebook the finger, the arm, something.